Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't been doing much lately. Been waiting for some quotes to come in. We'll get to that later. But guess what I picked up last week? Now there's a crack in it. I can replace that. Not doing it at the moment, but I've set this up so that I can actually have a look at Mac. Like, it's a very old Mac. Like you saw me the other week changing another Mac, it wasn't the same Mac, into Windows. This time we're going to have a little bit of a difference. I'm not a Mac aficionado, as some other channels say. I'm just a normal user. If we go into specs, so we're running Catalina. So if we come down, I think this is about 2019, just before the M1 Max came out. What I'm thinking of doing is I'm thinking of turning it into a Linux machine. Let's try it. Anyway, I think it should have enough memory. Not sure on the memory size. We'll check it when we go into the old Mac. But the problem with Mac is, if I go into the Mac store real quick, I don't want to be done for copyright, but everything costs money. There is only a few things that don't cost money on there. And so we will now reboot the machine and okay, we're back again. I'm going to quickly install Zorin. Okay, so I've picked a password and now it's just going to install the whole of Zorin onto the hard drive. Now, if I need to run Windows, I'll just make a virtual machine, I believe. Don't forget to take your card out once it's finished. Press enter, let it go. You get that familiar sound. Still there. So this is a Ubuntu Debian type distro, Zorin is, so you'll be able to notice it straight away that's similar to Windows. So if you're coming from Windows, it will be a start point for you to learn. So let's log in. So there we go, so we're in. We need to use, so that you can go for the tour. I'm not going to go through the tour at the moment. Everything is in your start bar down here. Okay, so something must be going on with the server at the moment. It's now downloading. Okay, so something must be going on with the server at the moment. It's now downloading stuff, but you may not need this file, but I'll leave it in there for you if you want to install it when you're doing your Mac. There's another guy on the internet that's actually done this with a different OS, and you know, you might want to install Ubuntu, so I'll try and leave his link down below. So that's it for today. We're going to go through this, and the reason I've got the music in the background, I'm sorry about this, but my next door neighbour is having a pool party.